Hello beautiful humans, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tessa Stewart. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I will be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. So I will be showing you how I achieve this look right here just using my Juvia's Place and my Natasha Denona Bronze Palette. Today I am in the beautiful city of Las Vegas. I'm celebrating with my husband. It is his birthday. We're about to go get something to eat. So I figured I'd just film this quick look for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. But before we move any further, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you're alerted with any of my future uploads. Share the video with your friends if you find it helpful. And let's get right into the video. Guys, so we are starting off with our base already finished and complete. I am still in Las Vegas. I don't know if you've seen any of my vlogs, or if the vlog went up first, or if this went up first. I don't know what order. So I'm just warning you, I am still in Vegas with my husband celebrating his birthday. We're here for quite a few days. So because of that, I am rushing. So I'm just going to do a quick eye look to show you what I'm going out with for the evening. So I'm just going to do like a gold and bronze smoky eye for you girls. All right, so what we're gonna do, I don't have any base with me, so I am using concealer. Concealer is perfectly fine to use as a base. You also don't necessarily have to use a base when you do your eyeshadow. It just helps with longevity and creasing. So I am going to take my Morphe M573 brush, and I'm going to go in with the brown color from the Chocolates palette by Juvia's Place. So I'm going to take that color, that brown shade, and then I'm just going to start applying that the outer edge, my eye. Okay, you see how I'm just bringing it in slightly. Okay, and just bring it in halfway. So I'm trying to create an eye shape that I don't really have. So I'm trying to create more of like a circular shape. So if you see, I've blended it up and over like in an arch type of way. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So guys, what TV shows have you been watching lately? Only reason why I'm asking is because I'm here in Vegas, obviously. I'm stuck with whatever television show that these guys have. And the thing about it is, I'm so used to watching like all the apps that I have, Netflix and HBO Go, Max and all that other stuff, right? Disney and all that. So I got started on the show, The Undoing, and oh my gosh, it's so good. I think it's ruined TV for me. Like, I need another show just as entertaining to start, or I'm gonna be unsatisfied. Like, and I've been here, and like when he's sleeping, because I'm like a night owl sometimes, like I can't stay asleep. So what'll happen is I'll be up and I'll like turn on the TV. There's not anything to watch, and I have my iPad, but I prefer to watch the TV. And like trying to find a good show in the middle of the night, I already need to have the show. So it just was not working out for me, girl. But all the good shows that you're watching right now, comment those down in the description box below. So I have that brown down, and now I'm gonna go in with the gold. So I am going to take a flat shader brush, and I'm gonna take the color Silk from the Natasha Denona Bronze Palette. I really love this palette. Like, it's so versatile for like everyday looks, and I surely use it for that. So then I'm just gonna pat that beautiful color right on my lid. Look how pretty! So pretty. Listen, makeup makes me happy, bro. I don't care. Like, when I'm feeling down, I just want to buy some makeup. I just want to buy makeup, even if I don't have to put it on. I just want it in my possession. Like, I I just wanted is that bad? Like that's like an addiction. I feel like that's like how my kids are with video games. My 8-year-old and 3-year-old with the video games. Honey, if you said that there was crack in the remote control, I would believe you, because they are ridiculous with the game. But I am like that with makeup. So like, I get it. It's like, oh man, when you like something and something brings you joy, it brings you joy, bro. It brings you joy. So we've laid that color down on both eyes, and let me see. Very pretty, very straightforward. So I'm just gonna deepen the crease just a tad bit. I'm gonna take the color Deep Dive and I'm gonna put that right in the outer edge. I'm loving how this is looking, guys. Love this color. So as I said, I am in Vegas. If you've been to Vegas before, comment in the description box below. Let me know what you did. Were you out here gambling? Were you out here on the slots? Or were you just out here just for a good time? Like, I'm not a gambler, neither is my husband. We just came out here because at the time that we purchased the flights, Vegas wasn't really locked down. They are now, but they weren't really locked down, and he had never been, so it was just like, why not, you know? And everything wasn't as expensive as you would think it would be. So we have that down. Now I'm just gonna brighten up the inner corner just a little bit. And I have my Natasha Denona Metropolis palette. I'm gonna go in with the color Queen from my Natasha Denona Metropolis palette, and I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner, trying to brighten this up just a little bit right here. Is it doing it? Just a little. Yeah, that's good. Just right there. Just give it a little extra sheen. And across the bottom. All right, so now I'm gonna work on the lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with the shader brush, and I'm gonna take that same color from the Juvia's Place Chocolates palette that we used in our crease, and I'm gonna put that on the lower lash line. And you can make this as smoky as you like. Now after that color, we're gonna go in with Deep Dive, that same color that we put on the outer edge, and we're gonna put that on the bottom lower lash line as well. All right, so we finished with the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna go in with my mascara. I'm gonna apply a heavy coat of mascara to the top and bottom lashes, and then also apply some falsies, and I'll be right back when I'm finished. All right, guys, I have my lashes and my mascara applied. Now we're gonna work on the lips. So what I'm gonna do is just wipe off this balm. This is the Laneige Glowy Lip Balm. I've used this in other videos before. So today I am thinking of red lip. I know I just did a video with red lip, but I'm feeling the red lip for these eyes. And I'm feeling like the classic like holiday vibe. So that's what I'm gonna do. I am going to put my color. I'm gonna use a brush to apply my lip color. And today I'm gonna be using the color Sin by MAC. Now, you're more than welcome to use an actual liner, but Bobby being out of town, I didn't have space for liners, so I just used the lipstick. My eyes have been watering so bad, guys. This entire tutorial has been a struggle. Oh my gosh, they're watering right now. All right, so that's the lippy. Now, if it's a little too dark, you can add a brighter lippy in the middle. So I'm taking NARS Cruella right in the middle to brighten it slightly, but not too much. So, all Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you're alerted with my future uploads. Also, if you found anything in this video helpful, share it with your friends, okay? If you have any suggestions or anything you'd like to see from me in the future, make sure that you comment that below, and I will see you in the next video.